What is up, my spooky bays and ghouls? It is Denise Draven, and today we're gonna film, I guess, a red smoky eyeshadow look. I kind of wanted to go, I've done it before, like in the past, not here on YouTube, but like on Instagram, like pictures. Kind of like an emo, kind of goth vibe to it. Smoky, red and black. Kind of, it gives me like My Chemical Romance Revenge era eyeshadow vibes. That's what it gives me. That's where my inspiration is from, My Chemical Romance. My favorite band in the whole world since like 7th grade. Yeah, so basically I'm gonna do that. And also, if you guys noticed, I dyed my hair again. I finally bleached the roots, finally. It's been like since like March since I've ever touched up my hair. Also added some more pieces in the back, kind of impulsively, but kind of not, because I didn't think about it. I'm not sure if y'all can see them back here. Kind of add some more like red up here, but I don't know. Maybe next time. But yeah, actually the bleaching process took a while, because I mean obviously I had to bleach new parts of my hair. I even bleached some more parts that are down here that weren't bleached previously. So that took like 2 hours to do in one day, and then the next day I dyed it. So it was a little bit, it took like 2 days to like do my hair, so it was a little bit of a process. I didn't want to damage my hair too badly, so I was easy on the bleach. I did like a bleach wash with conditioner. I should have filmed it, but I didn't bring my camera with me. And I don't know, I just want to do stuff like that. I just want to hurry up and get it done. You know, I don't want to have a camera in front of me and just talk, or I don't have to talk, but you know, I don't know. I feel like when I have a camera in front of me, it works slower. I don't know. I explain that. So of course, we had to start off this video adding some blush. Not on my face. I'm gonna add a little bit of blush on my nose. I'm using the Tokidoki Till Death Do Us Part little eyeshadow palette. This was from a long time. I mentioned this in a couple videos, previous videos. I got this like a long time ago. Whew, man, I don't know. Maybe like 2011. So the eyeshadow palette's really old, but I like to use it for blush. I don't really use the eyeshadow anymore. I don't know if they were ever good. Maybe they were. I never used them. I mainly used this one shade, so I don't know. But the blush, I really like the blush because it kind of is highlighted. I mean, it kind of has shimmer to it, so it doubles as a highlighter as well. Okay, so I already did my face makeup off camera. I did it before I even started like setting up my lightings, my camera and stuff, my background. I just want to get that out of the way. But anyway, so I guess we're gonna dive into the eyes. That's mainly what I want to focus on in this video is eyeshadow. So we're gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina Pro Pigment Palette #1, I think, volume 1. And we're gonna be using, let me get this bad boy open. We're gonna be using 3 shades. Of course I'll show them to you as we go along. But actually 4. I kind of like to dust a little bit of C1 onto the eyes first to kind of give it a base. I like to use white as a base. I think white is a nice starter, so I'm gonna dive into that really quick and just brush it on my eyes. Just a little pat, you know, just like this. Of course I already applied eye primer on my eyes earlier before I even started filming, so my eyes are prepped and primed and ready to go. You don't want to add too much white eyeshadow because we don't want it to be too white. I just like to have it as a base, that way the shadows blend more easier. That's just how I like to do smoky eyes. With smoky eyes, I start off very light, and then of course I move my way from dark. I mean, if you're comfortable with going from dark to light, you can do that, but I found that blending looks a lot more cleaner and nicer when you start from light to dark. Okay, so next we're going to be diving into the shade D3. It's this beautiful red color, and I think it's probably my favorite shade in this whole entire palette. There's not really, I mean, not a lot of matte red eyeshadows exist out there. What I like to do, I like to kind of add like a little at a time and then go from there. Just blend it out. Also, if you guys hear squeaking, the bird squeaking, my boyfriend had found a kiskadi in our front yard, so it keeps squeaking. We have it in a cage. Its wing is injured, so yeah. We're gonna keep it until it heals and then we'll let it go. And it's so cute though. Don't look like you're a member of MCR, then you did it completely wrong. Okay, so next we're going to be diving into the shade E5. I think the eyeshadow looks fine as it is. I mean, slap on some liner and then lashes and then you're all good to go. But I feel like I want to add more depth to this look, like how I usually do. Actually, I kind of went a little crazy with the blending on this one than I normally do, but I'm really digging it, so yeah. So I'm gonna add the shade E5 onto the outer corners and the inner corners and blend it in with the red. Okay, so next I'm going to be diving into the shade C3. I'm going to be dipping my finger into it and patting it onto the center of my eyelid. Okay, so next I'm using the KVD Vegan Beauty Anti-Precision Liner, and I'm not sure if I have stressed this before. I know I have maybe like on videos like from like years ago, but like this is the best liner for emo eyes ever, and I'm not kidding. Like it's good for smoky eyes, or if you just want to throw on a heavy liner and kind of smoke it out or smudge it out, or make it doesn't have to be perfect. You can just smudge it, make it look messy. You know, it's perfect for just like an emo look. It's like so simple, and it's like the formula is so perfect, and like it doesn't ever come off. So it's like it's so great. And, like it stays on the water lines all day, and it works amazing. So I hope they never discontinue this product, because if they do, I will throw hell, I swear to God. So yeah, so we're gonna apply this onto my water lines, and then I'm also applying it, smudge it out with a little brush underneath my eyes. We want this liner to be heavy, you guys, okay? Okay, so next I'm applying mascara. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Bag Mascara. I'm applying it to my lashes. Okay, so I did my brows off camera. I just didn't feel like doing on camera, I don't know, but whatever. So I'm going to contour. I'm using the Lunatic Cosmetics contour palette. And that was a weird end. We're gonna be diving into this shade right here. I'm diving into a cool contour shade, and I'm gonna contour my face. Next I'm going to do my lips, and I'm going to be lining my lips using the Baby Bat Beauty Oblivion liquid lipstick. I'm going to be using this, and of course a little lip liner brush from Anastasia. This is the number 3 brush. I'm going to be lining my lips with this, and probably adding some shading on the corners to make my lips look voluminous, I guess, and plump. I forgot to mention with Baby Bat Beauty, I do have a discount code. Is niece_Draven. It'll be down below in the description box as well if you guys missed that. And also a link to their website as well. I really do like their liquid lipsticks. They smell amazing. They kind of smell like cake batter. I just can smell these all day, honestly. They smell so good. And I really like their formulas. They stay on pretty well, and they're not too drying, so that's a really good thing, because a lot a lot of liquid lipsticks are kind of drying, so that kind of sucks. But these aren't bad. I really do like these. And plus their colors are really vivid and bright and pigmented. I just love it so much. So I totally recommend Baby Bet Beauty. We also do have a bunch of other makeup products that are amazing as well. I really do like the eyeshadows. But yeah, totally check out Baby Bet Beauty. Perfect for any spooky babe out there, any goth girl, or anybody out there that really likes to dabble with makeup. Okay, so next I'm going to be using the Final Cosmetics Lucifer Liquid Lipstick, and this was their collaboration with Twin Temple. And of course, if you guys have watched me for a while, you guys know that I have talked about Twin Temple a few times in the past, and I have talked about them a few times in the past, and I just really love their music, and I feel like I've introduced like a few of my subscribers to them, so I'm so proud of that. Honestly, I don't know, I just like talking about good music, so yeah. So I'm using this and applying it on my lips. Next I'm using this Milk heart tattoo stamp. My sister had gifted this to me, and honestly the little heart tattoo stamp is her brand, her look or whatever, so she wears them like every day. But I wear it because I really like the way it looks. And we're just gonna right there. I'm putting like right over my beauty mark, my little freckle right there. And you have to keep it straight, otherwise you might get like the rounded edges. Oh no. I just put in liner. I didn't press down too hard because I was like scared to like press it down for some reason. But I'll just put in some liner. I haven't used this in forever. I haven't done a wing liner in a while. There we go. It kind of looks like a little broken heart actually before I filled it in. That was kind of cute. I think this is the look right here so far. Okay, so next I'm going to be applying the Black Mage Beauty Black Mage lashes onto my eyes. I have a discount code at the shop. I can't remember what it was. It might be Denise_Raven, but it is down below in the description box as well. Just check out this brand. They're a small indie brand, and they have some really beautiful lashes. And they also have a bunch of really beautiful loose glitters and some other products as well. But I really do love their lashes a lot. I'll be applying these off camera and I'll be right back to you guys. Before I go change, I actually want to show you guys on South Beverly Hills Dewy Setting Spray, and it is a pineapple one. It's super cute. I don't know if y'all can see that. I really love how it has pineapples all over it. The packaging is so cute. They also sent me a mango one as well, and then the coconut Dewy Setting Spray. But I gave that one to my sister because I already have like the large size of it, so. But I really like how the mini is so cute. But I really like the smell of the coconut one. Let me get it on. Ooh. Breathe some of it in. I wasn't expecting so much to come out. I got some in my hair. Okay. That smells amazing. I like the way this sprays. Like, it's so misty. Like my Dewy Setting Spray, the other one I had, the coconut one, the large size, it would spray like that when I first used it, but then the nozzle got all messed up after using it for a while, so that kind of sucks. But that happens with me with a lot of setting sprays. Like I know the MAC one will do after a while, so I don't know. I don't know why people can't get the setting spray nozzle right. Well, I think the Wet n Wild one worked best for me. It's kind of like a little, you know. So yeah, so I'm gonna go change, maybe fix my hair, and I'll be right back to you guys. Okay guys, I am back. Here's my finished look. Put some butterfly clips up my hair. I think it's super cute. I'm not sure if I'll film a lookbook after this. I kind of wanted to, but also like, I left some things at my grandparents' house. But like also like I don't need them. Like I would like to use them, or like like to wear them for a lookbook. Honestly, like this whole look gives me 2000s mall goth vibes, like total like 2000s Hot Topic, and I dig it. And it's funny because like all this stuff is from Hot Topic. Like this is like from modern Hot Topic. Like I got this like months ago, and then this one's like old school Hot Topic kind of. Maybe like this is probably the top's probably from like 2012 maybe, so it's not too old school, but it's kind of old, and also doesn't really fit me. So yeah, but I managed to squeeze in. Also, I quickly painted my nails before coming back to you guys, but I mean obviously this hand's messy because I did it with my left hand, and also my dog is moving. So yeah, and then my hair kind of messed up. I made this finger, and I kind of get. I'm horrible with like, painting my nails sometimes. Like sometimes I just wait for them to dry, and then they get all messy. I hate it. But yeah, so I finally painted my nails. Like I haven't painted my nails in like I don't know, maybe since like Marchish, maybe I don't know. But it feels nice to have some black nails again. So yeah. So make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and also be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Also make sure you follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook for more awesome content coming up. So make sure y'all stick around for Halloween because I'm gonna start filming Halloween videos, and Halloween's usually my time of the year, so yeah. That's usually when my YouTube channel goes big, and I usually put up some pretty awesome content during Halloween. And if you guys don't feel like waiting to watch new Halloween content, then watch my old Halloween content. I have a bunch of old stuff. The ones I uploaded last year were pretty badass, so I think y'all should totally watch that one, especially my ring video, because I put a lot of work into that one. So yeah. But I also have a bunch of other cooler videos in the past couple years as well. Got my little skeleton man here, he's so cute. So yeah, so I think that is it for today's video. So make sure to leave a like, comment down below, and also be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and staying safe out there, you guys. It's crazy out there, dangerous. Whew, I'm not even gonna start just going how crazy it is out there actually. But yeah, stay safe please. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Bye!